All right, guys, I've started my keto journey again, so let's make this delicious, easy Mississippi chicken. First, cut, clean, and butterfly 3 chicken breasts. I seasoned with pepper and salt, and then I used half a packet of au jus gravy on one side of the chicken to season it, rubbed it in really well. Then I used half a packet of ranch seasoning on that side, rubbed it in really well. And then I flipped my chicken and repeated that process. I feel like we get so busy. Dinners like this are so easy to make. So I preheated my oven to 425, sprinkled banana peppers on top, as well as mushroom, but I left the mushrooms off my husband's because he's not a fan. And then I sliced up some butter, put the butter on top, and then popped that in the oven for 30 minutes. While my chicken was cooking, I decided I wanted to air fry some frozen broccoli. So I set my air fryer to 400, sprayed my air fryer with the broccoli, gave that a good shake, and then I started seasoning it. Everything but the bagel seasoning is one of my favorites, so I used that and some garlic powder. At first, I cooked it for about 10 minutes, and then I gave my broccoli a really good shake halfway through, and I ended up needing to cook it for about 10 more minutes after that, which was the perfect timing for when my chicken was supposed to be done. Once my chicken was cooked, I put provolone cheese on top, popped it back in the oven to get that cheese nice and melted. This was such a delicious dinner, and it was very low carb. Hope you enjoy. Check back for more recipes.